I moved here, it's going to be a year, September 2nd, that I moved here. And I owned a home in Hawthorne, and it was time to sell it. And I decided to look around, and a friend of mine told me about Springvale Apartments. It's 55 and older. And I came to, to look at it, and I was interested. Where my apartment is located, I do feel like I'm still in my home because it's like I have my own backyard. It's private, and that's what I really like about it. My apartment is very cozy. I like that it's on the main floor. It's just enough room for me. I never expected it to be the size that it is. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's not. It's very open, very sunny, and I just love it. I look forward to coming home at night. First, I'd like to say that the staff at Springvale is wonderful. They have been nothing but understanding, very friendly, always willing to help, and I have never had a problem with anybody, including maintenance. They're always there for you when you need them. Do they allow dogs here? Yes, they do. Unfortunately, I don't have one, but I do have a pet friend here, and her name is Sadie, by the way, and I just love her. Everybody loves Sadie. Everybody loves Sadie. I do walk around, and the scenery and the view is beautiful, and I love that. As far as the neighbors that I have met, wonderful. I enjoy being with all of them, especially the neighbors where I live, in my building. Very friendly. We all have a good time. We're always laughing. It's just like being in my own home again.